Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Jeanne de Provence. This brand or this house is they make very good fragrances, especially for a price. They are very affordable, very reasonable, and quite accessible, at least here in United Kingdom and Europe. In your area, in your part of the world, Google it, see if it comes up and how much it goes for. I unboxed and reviewed at least about 5 of their fragrances before, and each of them was very impressive, especially for a price. This one, it came out just a few weeks or few months ago. It's one of their newer releases, and the second I saw it I had to get it to see how this one stack up. And this one is called Jeanne de Provence, and this one Lin Blanc, Eau de Toilette 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £20, and for that price, let's see how it goes. Anyway, so Lin Blanc in French, I think it means white linen, so we are expecting it to be fresh. We're expecting it to be something like a fresh summer fragrance, which is in line with videos that I've been making for the last few weeks. That is fresh summer. So without further ado, let's do this. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. It's just a small movement of a finger for you, but for me it means a lot. It means you are validating my work. It means you're supporting me. It means you're encouraging me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they're hidden gems. And if you want to support me by buying one of my own perfumes, yes, I'm a perfumer myself. I have 20 perfumes in my lineup. I'm the perfume, the artist, I'm the worker. I leave them in the link, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. Or if you want to invite me to a coffee, I leave the link as well. I appreciate it very much. Thank you very much, and let's go. So sorry about the noise when you do unboxing. You can't do anything about it. Okay, so simple presentation, but always nice. It's got a texture to it. It's like some sort of rough texture, which makes it quite nice. Jeanne en Provence, and this is established in 1978, and this is Eau de Toilette, and again, it's got the cotton buds, so we are expecting smell very fresh. So this cardboard box is quite nice actually, and the bottle is in line with other Jeanne en Provence bottles which I had before. This one obviously is white and the cap is black, so it's black and white. Very heavy bottle, very heavy cap. The cap is metal and plastic combination, and the atomizer is modern, and here we go. Very good atomizer for the price, under £20. Everything about it shows good quality. So far so good in terms of presentation. Very good, especially for the price. Here we go. First impression for Jeanne en Provence, and this is Lin Blanc or white linen. Wow, it's filling the room already. Here we go. Woo! So as it says, white linen, immediately faced with iris. So there's a big iris in here, and the iris in here is a little bit on the powdery side, and also quite big on the citrus in the beginning. The citrus is like a combination of bergamot and lemon to making it uplifting, to making it bright and happy. So it is very bright, it's very happy, it's very uplifting, it's very inviting, it's very easy going, and it's very good for this summer of year, which is summer. It's very summery. Yeah, big lavender in here as well, making it the combination of the iris and the lavender, making it quite powdery. But overall it's quite clean. It's a very clean smell to it. Smells like white linen. It smells like a beautiful white linen shirt, and you ironed it, and that beautiful smell of newly new shirt, or just been washed with a very nice washing powder, and that smells comes very alive. It's quite strong at the moment, so it is filling the room. So overall, to my nose, it's quite unisex. So although it's aimed for men, this is in their men's line, and it's called Pour Homme as well. But to my nose, this is completely unisex. Anybody can wear it. As it says, white linen or Lin Blanc, there's a big smell of cotton buds in here. So cotton bud, sweet. The sweetness from 0 to 10 for a first impression is around 6 to 7. So it's quite sweet, but it's not overly sweet. It's done very well. Everything is working together quite well. Wow, that iris is gorgeous in here. The iris is not like a makeup iris, it's more like a soft linen iris. So it's very soft, it's very powdery, it's quite floral. Overall, this is a very floral fragrance, so you need to like your floral first and foremost to enjoy it. But absolutely done to perfection. Beautiful fragrance, smells quite natural, which is crazy for this price point, under £20. Obviously for this price point we're expecting majority of the ingredients be on the synthetic side, but it doesn't smell synthetic. It smells like a very well done fragrance, very well put together. The ingredients is very good for this price. Obviously it smells like soapy washing powder. Smells like somehow it smells like a talking powder as well, or baby powder a little bit. So it's quite powdery overall. It's a big musk in here, and the musk is very clean again, and also the wood, the base is very woody. The woods are probably sandalwood and cedar combination, but again the woods are very clean in here. And also I smell something like a vanilla in the base, to giving it that sweetness. So combination of the iris, the lavender, and the vanilla in here, making it very smooth, and also it makes it quite powdery and quite sweet as well. But it smells like as it is described. It describes it very well. Lin Blanc or white linen smells like white linen, smells like fresh, smells like the fresh laundry, smells like soap, smells quite powdery, like baby powder. So you need to like these things to enjoy this, otherwise it could be not for you in this fragrance. I'm absolutely enjoying it right now. As I said, it's very unisex. Anybody can wear it. Goodness me, clean, almost like laundry, fresh laundry smell to it. Soapy, definitely powdery, iris, very aromatic, almost no spice in here. I can't smell any spice, so they make it very clean. So very clean, very soapy, powdery, floral, aromatic, woody, musky, and the musk is quite big in here, but the musk is very clean again. So if you like what I'm describing, this is a bargain because it's done very well. It smells great, especially for this time of year. The rest of the Jeanne and Provence I unboxed and reviewed before, they were quite a good performance, especially for a price, especially for Eau de Toilettes. We have to wait and see how is the performance on this one. If the performance is anything like before, they were like a medium to good performance before for the price, and this one probably is going to be the same or similar. Let's see. In the next video I'll let you know the longevity, the development, and things like that. But for a first impression, smells only, yes, absolutely, I'm loving it. It's beautiful. Most likely my wife is going to take this one away from me because she loves this kind of fragrance. She loves them to be powdery, floral, clean, aromatic, musky, and this kind of fragrance she adores, and I think this one is going to be taken by her. In terms of age, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side, because it's got that classical feel to it. Although if you like this kind of fragrances, it doesn't mean anything. In terms of gender, definitely bang in the middle. Anybody can wear it, ladies and men, no problem whatsoever. In terms of occasion, this is one of those Swiss Army knife. You can dress it up, dress it down, daytime, nighttime, special occasion, casual, formal, informal, anything you want. It's very, very versatile. In terms of season, this is better suited for warmer weather, because it's very, very fresh, it's very bright, it's very happy, and it's very clean, and it's soapy. But if you like this kind of fragrance and you want to use it all year round, you could do that. The only thing is, let's see how is the performance. If the performance is anything good, then you can use it in cooler months as well. But obviously you have to control the trigger. In warmer months, less sprays. In cooler months, more sprays. At the moment I put 3 sprays and it's filling the room, so let's see how it goes. In terms of who is it for, this is for people, they like the powdery, aromatic, floral, clean, laundry smell, soapy, powdery, musky, woody smell overall. So for the first impression, yes, I'm absolutely loving it. Let's see how it goes in the next video. I'll let you know the rest of the story of this fragrance, but for now I'll give it 2 thumbs up, and I absolutely adore this one. The rest of the Jeanne and Provence were very, very good. Again, they've done it one more time. Let's see how it goes in the next video. So if you have it, if you know, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. And this one looks like it's going to be a hidden gem. If you like to purchase one of my own perfumes and support me that way and get something very beautiful in return, you could do that, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to do so. I leave them in the link. There are 20 of them in my lineup. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. They're out of this world, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They're ultra beast mode, very mysterious, very unique, very artistic perfumes. And they are one of the best quality ingredients in the world, yes, in the world, for the price you're paying. The first thing it hits you is the quality. They're like time capsule, they take you different places, different time, and they are mesmerizingly absolutely beautiful. If you want to invite me to a coffee, you could do that as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.